This last slide is a lot of fun, as you will be able to just add bullet points about your products and your company and your team, about what makes you very distinct, what makes you different than those that sell similar products on the market. You will literally just bullet point them. And then you're going to add a little bit of a description. So for Flowium, what makes us distinct? To start off, our team culture. So our team works very collaboratively, even though we are remote and global. We always work to expand our knowledge together in order to bring solutions to our clients' needs. We are experts in the email marketing industry specifically, and in Klaviyo, which is a platform for email marketing. It's our niche. We're also full service and a full foundational approach. So we set every one of our clients up with a full foundational strategy. Most agencies will do a limited setup and charge for the additional ones. So this is what sets us apart. We also don't believe in a set it and forget it approach. So we're always working on constant optimization for each one of our accounts. We're knowledgeable experts in each department. So our copywriters, our designers, our Klaviyo pros, our project managers, our strategy, our implementation techniques, and the execution processes that we have sets us apart in the industry as well. We have a dedicated team that is specifically assigned to each project. We don't change team members within the project unless they leave our company or if they are promoted and cannot spend the dedicated time on that client. But we never plan on changing team members within that account. And we also focus our connection between our team and our clients' teams. We want there to be a good rapport and a good working relationship. We're also very distinct because we have very transparent pricing and expectations. We are very transparent with our potential clients about the pricing and what they can expect to get from each package. We are also innovators in the industry. We always are watching for the latest trends, updates, changes, and we make sure to incorporate that internally. We're leaders and educators with content and courses, and our content includes our podcast, YouTube channel, and blog. We have proven strategies and processes, resulting in sustainable and predictable revenue. We have a track record of success with over 100 e-commerce projects that we've been using these strategies and processes for. And with every single one, it just gets better and better and more polished. And then also what makes us very distinct is our team's knowledge and commitment to the brand identity of each project that we work with. We sincerely care about their mission, their values, and their vision and their voice. So everything we create is represented that way. Take a moment and bullet point what makes you distinct in your industry with your products and list those here. Afterwards, if you need to give just a brief explanation of what that is, you can do that as well.
Want to discover how much money your email marketing can actually bring you? If that's the case, let our team of email marketing experts show you how. With our free email marketing audit, we'll conduct a comprehensive analysis of your email marketing efforts, provide you with an action plan, and show you how to effectively segment and convert your audience. Simply go to flowium.com/audit and book your audit today.
Thanks for watching this part of the course. Subscribe and follow to get more valuable content just for you.